Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk watching the charts, and suddenly, boom, you hit a winning trade. Again and again. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me tell you it's not. Because one simple Forex trick changed everything for me. And today, I'm going to share it with you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Forex Cracked. If you're tired of staring at charts and not seeing results, stick around. This trick is a game changer, and I promise it's not about some complicated indicator or a get-rich-quick scheme. Let me be real for a second. When I started trading Forex, I was overwhelmed. Indicators everywhere, losses piling up. It felt like I was chasing my tail. I was overtrading, overthinking, and just losing. I know how it feels. You think the more you trade, the more you'll win, right? Wrong. Here's what changed my perspective. The trick that changed everything, mastering support and resistance with patience. That's it. Forget fancy indicators. Mastering just this simple concept turned my trading around. Let me explain how. Support and resistance are like invisible walls on your chart. Support is where the price tends to bounce back up. Resistance, that's where it usually falls back down. But here's the twist. I only trade when the price reacts at these levels. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. 1. Identify key levels. Look at the daily or 4-hour time frame. Find spots where the price has repeatedly bounced or been rejected. 2. Wait for confirmation. Don't just guess. Look for candlestick patterns like pin bars or engulfing candles that confirm the level is holding. 3. Set your trade with discipline. Once confirmed, set your stop loss below support or above resistance and aim for a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Simple, but powerful. Here's a trade I took using this trick. Notice how the price hit resistance, formed a rejection candle, and boom, I entered the trade with confidence. The result? A 3% gain in one day. It's not magic. It's about being patient and waiting for the right moment. This trick didn't just change my trading, it changed my life. I stopped overtrading. I started making consistent profits. And best of all, I finally had the time and freedom I'd been chasing. So, there you have it, the one Forex trick that changed my life. It's simple, effective, and anyone can master it. But here's the thing. It's only powerful if you stay disciplined. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies that actually work. And in the comments, let me know, what's your biggest challenge in Forex right now? Let's crack it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.